There are so many accounting terms which keeps bothering you all the time in accountancy, and today we are going to discuss few of them. So here they are. So guys, here are some important terms which we generally use in accountancy. The first one is capital. What is capital? The amount or goods or assets which the owner brings to start the business. That means from the amount which you are starting the business is known as capital. The second one is liability. The liability is the amount which the owner has to pay in the market, like loans, creditors from whom you are purchasing goods on credit, etc. Assets. All the objects with a value in terms of money and owned by the business are called assets, like land, building, cash. Got it now? You didn't get that? Look, I'm reading your mind. Assets means all those things, all the objects with a value in terms of money and owned by the businesses are called assets, like land, building, machine, cash, furnitures. These all are kind of assets. Next is debtor. In simple language, you can say customers. The person from whom business is to receive some amount is the customers on credit. Creditors, the person from whom you are purchasing goods on credit, the person to whom the business has to pay, e.g., the person from whom the goods are bought on credit, like creditors. Payables, apart from creditors, other amounts which are to be paid by the businesses are known as payables. Receivables, important terms. Apart from debtors, other amounts which are to be received by the business, like bills receivable. Drawings, the amount or goods drawn or taken by the owner. Expenses, the cost which is incurred to get revenue is an expense. Means all those things, all those expenses, all those costs which you are just incurring to get revenue will be treated as an expense. And income, the difference between the revenue and expenses is known as income. These are the basic terms which we generally use in our daily transactions. Now, let's move to the difference between the bookkeeping and accountancy. There are some bases in which we are going to differentiate bookkeeping and accountancy. The first one is nature. Bookkeeping is the art of keeping books of accounts in a systematic way. This one is just a kind of keeping of records, nothing more than that. And in accounting is the art of writing, classifying, interpreting the transactions in a monetary mode. The objective of bookkeeping is to keep only primary records. That's it. We can't find profit and loss from it. But the objective of accounting is to ascertain profit and loss and to prepare balance sheet of the business. Final account. By means of bookkeeping, you can't draft final account. Does not include financial statement. But as far as this one is concerned, accounting, it includes the financial statement. Conditions. Bookkeeping is done before accounting, while accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. So these are the differentiation which you'll have to just bear in your mind.